Hello children, how are you? Welcome you all to the session. Today we will discuss on the topic series data structure. Series data structure. How to create a series data structure. Before that, what's a series data structure? It represents one-dimensional array of indexed data. A series type object has two main components, an array of actual data, second one an associated array of indices or data labels. One part is data, the other part is indices or index or data labels. Okay, then how to create this series objects? Before creating series object, you must import pandas and numpy modules with import statements. You have to import the pandas and numpy modules before creating this series object. That syntax is like this: import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. Then two different ways we can create the series object. First one, create empty series object. Then second one, creating non-empty series object. Now we will discuss the create empty series object by using just the series function with no parameter. This one is the series function with no parameter. The syntax is series object. Any valid variables we can use as a series object name. Then pandas. Pandas, this one is a keyword, pandas, dot, then series function. Simply you can use this series function, that is with no parameter. Here S is in uppercase. This also a keyword, series. By default, data type of series object is float 64. Float 64. Then the second one is creating non-empty series object. How to create this non-empty series object? That means we already discussed, that is series object have two different components, data and index part. So non-empty series object, that syntax is series object any valid variable names, that is equal to pandas dot series. Within this parenthesis you can specify the data and index. Clear? The syntax of creating non-empty series object. Series object is equal to pandas dot series. Within this parenthesis you can specify data comma index values. Okay, index is equal to idx. Idx is a valid numpy data type. Then data is the data part of the series object. Then the data can be one of the following. First one, a Python sequence. Then second one, an ND array, n-dimensional array. Third one, a Python dictionary. Fourth one, a scalar value. Okay, clear? Two different types of series object, empty series object and a non-empty series object. How to create this empty series object? Second one, how to create this non-empty series object. Okay. Then next one, specify data as Python sequence. You can specify the data as Python sequence in this series. Simplest way to create series type object is to give a sequence of values as attribute to series. Attribute means arguments. That syntax is series object is equal to pandas dot series. Within this parenthesis we can specify any Python sequence. Here import pandas as PD. S1 is equal to PD dot series range function. You know about this range function, 0 to 4 values we will get. But series object have data part and index part. So while using this statement, we will get the output as This one, series object 1 with sequence 1. Check this one, print series object 1 with sequence 1, print S1. Check this one. By default, the index values of series is 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many values are the, how many data are the, according to that data, it will assign the index value. Clear? According to that data, it will assign the index value. 0 onwards, that index values will start. First one, index value. Then second one, data value. That is, data value means here we specified the sequence as a range function. By using this range function, you will get 0 to 4 values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Clear? Then second one, S2 is equal to PD dot series. Within this parenthesis, we are specified 3 values within the square bracket. We specified the 3 values. Square bracket means that's a list. That is a list. Print series object 2 with sequence 2. Print S2. Check this one. Series object 2 with sequence 2. Index values, by default, the index values, it will take from 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2. Then 3.5, 4.0, 7.5. Data type is float 64. Okay? Clear? Then the third is S3 is equal to PD dot series. Within this parenthesis, we specified again the values within this parenthesis itself. We can use this parenthesis in a tuple. 11, 65, 23, 41. This one is a tuple. Sequence of values. Okay. Print series object 3 with sequence 3. Print S3. Check this output. Series object 3 with sequence 3. Sequence 0, 11, 1, 65, 2, 23, 3, 41. Data type int 64. Okay. Clear? Range function. This one is a sequence. Then this list. This one is also another sequence. Then here one tuple 11, 65, 23 and 41. This also a sequence value. Okay. Then the next is, here we use the list with the character values or string values. Within this parenthesis, we specified OHO. S4 is equal to PD dot series. Within this parenthesis, I specified OHO. These all are characters, but I specified here the square bracket. Within the square bracket, I specified this character. So this one is a list. Series object 4 with sequence 4. Print S4. Check this one. Series object 4 with sequence 4. 0, O. 1, H. 2, again O. O, H, O. Clear? Then here, this one is a string value. S5 is equal to PD dot series. So funny. Print series object 5 with sequence 5. Print S5. Check this one. Series object 5 with sequence 5. 0th index. So funny. Here only one value. String object value. So the data type is object. S6 is equal to PD dot series. Within this parenthesis, again I use here this square bracket. I am laughing. I, one value, am, second value, laughing, another value. So 3 values are there. This one is also a list. Okay. Print series object 6 with sequence 6. Print S6. 0, I. 1, am. 2, laughing. The data type is object. Clear? Here we use the sequence in this series object. Clear? Then the second one is specify data as an ND array. The data attribute can be an ND array also, data attribute. How to create series with ND array? How to create series with the ND array? N-dimensional array. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. Then array. Array. Any variable names we can use here. ARR is equal to NP dot array function. NP dot array. I specified here the values 10, 15, 18, 22. Here we create an array of 4 values. Array of 4 values. Okay. Then next statement, S is equal to PD dot series. I pass the array as attribute. Array as attribute or argument. Print S. Check this one. Output. By default, the index values are starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. That means 4 values are there. 0, 10, 1, 15, 2, 18, 3, 22. Here, this one is index value. This one is data. Okay, clear? Then, on program, import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. SCR1 is equal to PD dot series within this parenthesis, or as argument, I specified here this array. NP dot a range 3, 13, 3.5. What is the usage of this a range function of array? A range, array range. Same as this range function. Here 3 is the start value, 13 is the stop value, 3.5 is the step value. Print series object using an ND array function 1. SER 1. Check this one. Series object using an ND function 1. 0, 3.0, 1, 6.5, 2, 10.0. Okay. 3 is the starting value, 13 is the ending value, 3.5 is the step value. First 3, 3.0. 3.0 plus 3.5. 6.5. 6.5 plus 3.5. 10. 10 plus 3.5. That is 13.5. Here the stop value is 13. So the next value we can't take. Clear? A range, that is same as this range function. A range for array. Clear this one? Then the second one is SCR2 is equal to PD dot series NP dot line space 24, 64, 5. 24, 64, 5. Line space. What is the usage of this line space function in array? Line space. It gives evenly spaced samples. It gives evenly spaced samples. Any 5 values it will take from this 24 to 64 values. Clear? Print series object using an ND array function 2. SCR2. Check the output. Series object using an ND array function 2. 0, 24.0, 1, 34.0, 2, 44.0, 3, 54.0, 4, 64.0. That is line space. This also gives evenly spaced samples. Okay. Then third one, SCR3 is equal to PD dot series NP dot tile 3, 5, 2. Tile function that construct a new array by repeating array 3, 5. That is the array. The number of times we want to repeat as per repetitions. This function, the style function, what is the usage of this style function? It will repeat the array or list by 2 times. Okay, 3, 5 we can see 2 times. We need 3 times, we can specify the argument as 3. Series object using an ND array function 3, SCR 3. Check this one. Series object using an ND array function 3. 0, 3, 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 5. D type integer 32. Okay. Arrange line space tile functions from this ND array. Clear? Then how to create with mutable index? Mutable index. We can mute, we can change. We can change the index values. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. ARR is equal to NP dot array ABCD. This is the array. These values are ABCD. Then S is equal to PD dot series. We can pass the array ARR as data value. Then index, we can specify the index values. Index is equal to first, second, third, fourth. Then print S. The output is index values we changed as first, second, third and fourth. First, the value is A. Second, the value is B. Third, the value is C. Fourth, the value is D. Left side is index values, right side is data values. Okay, clear this one? Then third one, specify data as a Python dictionary. Here we can see how to create a series object by specifying indices and values through a dictionary. You already learned about dictionary, that is within this curly braces you can specify the dictionary values. Check this one. Import pandas as PD. SER is equal to PD dot series, then series function opening parenthesis, then dictionary. We can specify the dictionary in curly braces. Then open this curly braces, then the index and the value. A is the index value, that is label, 39 is the value. B is the index value, then value. C is the index value, colon, 42 is the value. D is the index value, colon, 44 is the value. Close this curly braces, close this parenthesis. Print series object using a dictionary. Print SER. Check this one. Series object using a dictionary. A 39, B 41, C 42, D 44. D type, data type is int 64. Okay, clear? By using this dictionary we can create the series object. Okay, then fourth one, specify data as a scalar value. Scalar value means permanent value. The data can be in the form of a single value or a scalar value. Single value or a scalar value. If data is scalar value, then the index argument to series function must be provided. We have to specify the index argument. Check this program. Write a program to create a series object that stores the initial budget allocated 50,000 each. For the 4 quarters of the year, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Okay, check this program. Import pandas as PD. S1 is equal to PD dot series 50,000 is the scalar value. Then we have to specify the index value. Index value is QTR1, QTR2, QTR3, QTR4. Then for these 4 quarters we are giving the Same value 50,000. Clear? Print S1. QTR1 50,000. QTR2 50,000. QTR3 50,000. QTR4 50,000. Data type is int 64. Okay, clear? These 4 different types of values we can use in a series object. Okay. Okay students, I hope all of you understood the topics. Watch the videos again and again, then only you can understand easily. It's a very interesting topic. So study these all topics in an effective way. The notes of the topic is attached. Take down the note and learn it. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care.